Hi boys and girls, this is lesson 22, problem set. We're going to practice using the vocabulary words more and less. You will be following a lot of directions, so make sure your listening ears are turned on today. First, write your name on the paper. Now, get your pencil ready to circle. The direction says circle 10 erasers. So I want you to circle 10 erasers with one big circle, just like this. 10 erasers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now circle 10 pencils. I hope your circle looks like mine. 10 pencils. Now let's look at the erasers that we did not circle. How many are there? That's right, there's 2. Now let's look at the pencils we did not circle. How many are there? 3. The rest of the question says, match the extra ones to see which one has more. So we know that this set in red has 10, and we know that this set in green has 10, so the next step is to look over here. The red set with the erasers has 2 left over, and the green set has 3 left over. So which is more, 10-2 or 10-3? That's right, 10-3. So I'm going to draw a check mark there. Come down here. Listen very carefully to the next direction I'm going to give you. Circle 10 sandwiches. I don't know about you, but I'm pretty sure that this looks like a 10 frame here. Circle 10 sandwiches. Now take your pencil and circle over here 10 milk cartons. If you need to press pause, don't forget to press pause while you're working. Great job. Now that you're done, I want you to compare how many sandwiches are left over and how many milk cartons are left over. This time you're going to circle the group that has less. Remember, less means the one that has a smaller amount, less left over, not as many. And you're going to put a check mark next to that set. If you need more time to work, please press the pause button. Moving on. The directions for this page say, circle 10 baseballs. Go ahead, circle 10 baseballs. Now circle 10 baseball gloves. You might call them mitts. Now you should have a group of 10 baseballs circled and some left over. I want you to write that teen number right here. How many baseballs are there? Now look at the baseball gloves or mitts. How many are there? You're going to write that number right here. Don't forget, it's 10 and some more. Think about what the hide zeros cards would look like. Now that you've written the number of baseballs here and the number of mitts here, the directions say, check the group that has more. So you're going to put a check mark next to the group that has more. If you need to hear the directions again, just rewind. If you need more time, hit the pause button. For this page, you are going to circle 10 apples. Go ahead, I'll wait. Circle 10 apples. Now come over to the oranges and circle 10 oranges. Now look at the leftovers. You have 10 and some more. Write that number here, please. Now look at your oranges. You have 10 and some more left over. Write that number here. The directions say, put a check mark next to the group that has less. Remember, less is the smaller number. Less has fewer. Put a check mark next to the group that has fewer. Hit pause if you need more time. Moving on. This is the last problem for today. The direction says circle 10 spoons. Go ahead, I'll wait. Circle 10 spoons. Good job. That was a lot to count. That's hard to count in a scattered array. I hope you used a good strategy. On this side, you guessed it, you're going to circle 10 forks. Make sure you're using a counting strategy so you get the right number. You need 10 in a circle. Now that you've circled 10, you're going to write the number of spoons here. Remember, it is 10 and some more. And here you're going to write the number of forks. Push pause if you need to. Okay, this is a little bit tricky. Listen very, very, very carefully. You're going to be comparing this number and this number. You know this power word says is. This one says more, and this one says less. So this number is more than this one, or this number is less than this number. You're going to circle more or less depending on the answer. I hope you had fun.